Paris sent troops to the Central African Republic to disarm Christian militias and largely Muslim Seleka rebels who ousted ex-president Francois Bozize in March. However, according to a recent poll, only 41% of those questioned were in favor of the operation, down from 51% shortly after Paris deployed 1,600 troops in the country. The deployment of the French troops and nearly 4,000 African Union peacekeepers has done little to contain the tit-for-tat violence between the religious communities, which has displaced nearly 1 million people. The poll also showed that a majority of French people still support France's operation in Mali, launched in January last year to drive back militants threatening to seize Bamako. French Defense Minister Jean-Yves Le Drian dismissed some commentators' growing worries that France was getting bogged down in the Central African Republic, saying such concerns early on in the Mali operation had proved unjustified. The Central African Republic, rich in diamonds, timber, gold and oil, has been racked by 5 coups and numerous rebellions since independence from France in 1960. Some 1,000 people were surveyed in the latest IFOP poll that was conducted between December 27th and January 2nd of this year. Maria Galang, CCTV.